I need the information. First of all, we're starving for some of this information. We're trying to switch companies over to you and get these chemicals, and we're looking for some product knowledge on the type of chemicals that we need for specific jobs.
So Ben, how do you think this training's going for your staff?
I think it's very informative. Everybody's learning a lot from it.
Good. What do you like about it?
The entrance of the different chemicals that they're telling us about, the floor care, the way the machinery works, and then breaking down the chemicals to be used on different areas. Very insightful.
Okay, fantastic. So on a scale of 1 to 10, would you say, how valuable would you say this training is for your staff?
Oh, I think it's a 10.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
definitely.
great. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, good.